Hello everybody, my name is Cotton, and before the video begins, I would love to do a shout out to Shoukou Kou. I met her on Fiverr. She was a wonderful lady who made my skin. This is Cotton. You can see me down here in the corner. She did a wonderful design on him, and her artwork is just outstanding. I do recommend giving her a check out. Anyways, back to the video. Hello everybody, my name is Cotton, and today I'm playing Barony. Okay. From what I understand, the game is mainly a dungeon crawler. Similar to a Dungeons and Dragons be if it would be a 8-bit minigame. Well, not 8-bit, whatever bit you would consider this, I guess. She's gonna... Well, thank you for the luck. Just trying to think you weren't meaning the luck. Excuse me. What's that? Something died. What is this? What do I got? Healing potion, worn windshield. What? Blesses my equipment. Oh, cool. So, from what I understand, the game's supposed to have an update coming out soon. Life after death or something similar. Serviceable iron boots. I don't know if it's better, though. Mace damage. Teaches trolls blue and red. Spellbook cast effect 0% duration. Not yet learned. Press defend. Spell's too difficult. Okay. There we go. Now you can see. Oh. Nice. Hopefully no more fall out of that. Okay. What do you... Lockpicking tool, main hand. Decrepit. Cracked ring, unknown effect, identifying the item. What am I currently appraising? Appraise not high enough. Appraise. Okay. Probably threw that down, didn't I? The fountain. Oh, okay. I'll figure it out, don't worry. Okay. If that's... Nope. Still not figuring this out. There we go. No. I'll take that. Please. There we go. Finally. Still can't read that. So what happens with this? Oh. Is it infinite or does it 3, 2... Okay, I get it. I'll get a new torch. Hard to wield a shield when you have to wear the torch. Oh, there's the map. I forgot I had a map on the bottom of the mini screen. cheese. Books. What is this? Here lies Ingrid, spooked by a scary skeleton. My mind went straight to the song. Okay, I'm gonna die if I don't eat something. Hunger. Drink that. Take all these. What do the gems do? Torn copy of something written. I didn't want to. Okay. Can I read it? Oh, it's an actual book. Best way to get yourself killed, reading in a dungeon. Amulet of poison resistance. Well, I don't need to swim right now, so I might as well. Ring of protection. Holy cheese. How do I know where my hunger is? Refreshes you somewhat. I wonder if that would have healed me. I feel like I've been here. It's because I have been here. There we go. Wonder if that would have killed me. What our praise. I don't like not being able to see anything. At this point, I know something's in the darkness just waiting. Oh, I can learn that one. What does F do? Oh, that's cool. Okay. I didn't mean to do that. Well, at least I know how to do it now. Thanks, bro. Makes me feel real good about it. I'm just gonna beat it down. You're gonna let me in one way or another. Nope, didn't mean to do that. I'm just all for damage, apparently. Dibs on the top. What's Troll's Blood do? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, HP regen. Well, I don't want to use it if that's what it does. Smells like quail. Worn bear trap. 10 damage. Paralyze. I can use that. Empty bottle. Could probably use that. Can I use it here? The faucet breaks. Of course it does. And I didn't fill my bottle. Hey, I'm just gonna take a couple of these. Could have just walked over here earlier. Is this as fast as I go? Oh, cool. I walked past this earlier. lantern. Red light burns out over time will help with additional AC for the fending. Cool. No. Hey. Who's making that sound? Let me equip my lamp. Leave me alone. I ain't done nothing wrong. I don't like the sound. Bring it. Hold on. I need to start seeing what I have. Awful. I don't know if this does me anything, so I'm just gonna toss out. If anyone knows what the books do, if they have an actual purpose, please let me know. I don't actually know what they do. Scroll's blank. Shield, I think it's my shield. Axe isn't doing me any good. Sword's not doing me any good. Looking good, looking good. Are they shades or are they actual glasses? Learn that. Okay, well I can only wield that. I still can't learn Troll's Blood apparently. But I could have sworn I used it earlier. It did say there was a Minotaur. Am I wasting time? I am wasting time. I don't have my shield equipped, that's why. Come on, I want the exit before the Minotaur gets me. I don't like the idea of being the opposite of a hamburger. Come on, dude, we can be friends about this. Hey, fuck you. I'm free. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that, dude. Hold on, we can be friends. You know, I just got to the second level. I just got to the second level. It's not, or the third level. I just ran from the Minotaur. Great, now I'm bleeding. Here lies the potato. Proto-Pegasus had a... there was a potato in there. Potato stuck in an exhaust pipe. Now, hold on a second. When you say exhaust pipe... Okay, I'm just gonna stay around here. I'm not gonna go far from here. In case he's just... What the fuck? Is he here? Is that why that just happened? I heard something. That may have been something normal because I still hear it. It sounds like running. I have no room. I needed to go through my inventory. Okay, marks. No. Water walking. No. No. Okay. Give me that. Give me that. I don't trust that. Listen. Yeah, I have a reason not to trust that. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't know I could wear that and the glasses. I thought I'd have to trade. Could I have used the bear trap on the Minotaur? It makes me wish I tried. If I can't open it, there's no point in having it. Can I learn this? You suddenly forgot one of your spells. Well, what did I forget? Well, I don't know what I forgot, so I guess I forgot. Well, I guess it's right. I did forget. Aged fish. Oh, I'm definitely sorry for killing that dude. I could have probably have talked to him. He didn't, like, come out the room and attack me. Only person I've actually seen this entire time. In my first instinct, murder. I guess that's about on par. What do you think, Lucius? Get him. Adornment. No. No. I still don't know how to tell if I'm hungry or not. I've just been eating to wing it. Grants magic reflection. I feel like that's a little bit better. I'm just gonna hold on to that just in case I want it later. No. No. Can I sell those? Is there a shop? These have to be randomly generated dungeons. There's no way someone designed it, which is a bunch of empty, like, one-way doors. Well, never mind. That definitely sounds like something someone would do. I wasn't being stealthy. So why'd I get a stealth point? I literally walked up and just hit him over the back of the head with it. I guess it can be considered stealthy. As long as there's no one alive to see it. I didn't try to equip the bottle. Or the torch. I'm just gonna punch the door down. Because why not? Because I'm wasting my time, that's why. Excuse you? I have little hands. It's hard to move my hands across the keyboard sometimes. Five. There's nothing better about this one. Swimming, force bolt. You already know this spell. I know this spell, but I didn't want to have to carry the book around. I don't want that. Okay, wait, did it say I can throw that? Yes. Let me guess, what spell did I forget? I hate you. Are you kidding me? Did I throw the wrong book away? No. Fucking A. Oh, no, I don't have a fucking spell. Oh, anyway, no, I was wrong. Ignore me. There we go. Re-equip that. Yeah, back to what I was looking at. Throne, yeah. So I can do one of two things with this bottle. I can be right and throw it, or I can fuck this up and accidentally drink it. And I would much rather throw it than drink it. Excuse you? Hey. Uncle. I'm alive! I didn't splash myself. Haha. No, I want that. I want to equip that. Can I push this? You lack the might to move the boulder. If you don't stop doing that, I will find you, and I will probably die. Doesn't mean I won't try, though. Was I here before? Or is it the same one? Like, same message. Hey! Is this a shop? You open the door. I close the door. Hi, Tom. Good day. Welcome to Tom's General Store. Hello, Tom. You can have this. You can have that. You can have... Oh, you can have everything I'm not using, because I don't know what these gems do. But I want to appraise them because they're... they look like they'd be worth something. Why would you only give me one? Probably because I don't know what I'm doing. Serviceable magic staff is slow. Trolls ignore thee if thou keeps thy distance. Well, I'll consider it. I wonder if I can even use... Thanks, Tom. Okay, that must be your stuff. I'm just gonna bounce. What's this do? I mean, I know it's a bow. That's not what I mean. What does this do in terms of, like... Don't kill me. You sense the gods of Shoukou... What? I didn't forget to read that. The water is scalding. You hear a pipe groan. Faucet breaks. What is that sound? Okay. Towel curses great. A messy bleed. Used to clean yourself and bandage healing wounds. Luck stone, 4 thrown damage. What's a luck stone? Hold on. Heavy thrown weapons, whole attack. Sounds like something else was rolling by. Ah, fucking! I should have seen that coming. In all honesty. Lucius, you can have the remains. It's time to begin again. Okay, well, I've learned it. And I wasted my mana in the process. Love it. The meaning of the labyrinth. Well, there's the exit. Now I can go and just explore for stuff.
You fool! You absolute buffoon! You think you can challenge me in my own realm?
What the hell? What am I supposed to do? I guess the answer to that is pay attention to my surroundings. Damn rat. Ah, yes, another one joins. You and your minotaur can go and snuff it. Ah, go boil your heads. I don't want your luck. You and your fucking boulders can shove off. I'm just gonna take that and that. I wish it would have praised faster. Okay. I just have to watch out for falling boulders. It'll be fine. Is that a weapon? Here lies Ingrid, spooked by a scary skeleton. I've seen that one already. Picked up a flawed ring. 4 axe damage, 6 mace damage. I'll keep the mace. See, I have Troll's blood again. Did I miss a bunch of stuff on the first floor last time? Great. I don't know what's making the pig sound. It sounds like the old Star Wars guys. Star Wars pigs from like Lego Star Wars. But like the old Lego Star Wars. I don't know if they still make the same sound. I've not played the new ones. Apparently I'm not blocking. Now he's just beating me up through my block. Is there a way to like level up my skill? Okay, points. NPC followers. I can have NPC followers? How? Interesting. Don't entirely know how, but apparently there is a way. So, oh. I'll take the money. You know, just wander off about my business, I guess. You ain't gonna kill me. Okay, you might. I was kidding, dude. Ain't no need to be so serious. Take that. You can have the wooden shield. Serviceable. Why would I want something that locks the door? I guess for, like, enemies. Well, there's no point in having 2 of these, in my opinion. Don't want that. I'll keep that. History of Burn Hercs. Bronze shield. Okay. Maybe that's why all this stuff is here. People just keep leaving stuff they don't want behind. Someone else uses it later. That explains all the items on the floor. And this is back where I started. Spellbook deteriorates. It can deteriorate all at once. I just want the spell. Oh, that's cool. How long does the light last? If I'm lucky, forever. I'll just Okay. I'm just gonna go this way. And go on. Bring it, rat. I'll take that. Is that just rat meat, or was it meat the rat was carrying? Here lies Johnny Yeast. Pardon me for not rising. These jokes definitely sound like something I would say. Just terribly good. Or goodly awful. Whatever you want to say. I was going to do a stream today, but I had to ask YouTube to do it, and I had to wait 24 hours before I was allowed to. So I figured I would just make this video instead, cut it down later, and add it to a shorts channel. Not shorts, but like the best parts of it. The funniest parts, dying to the boulders, Minotaur, just being awful. I don't want to lock. Don't need a journal. I'll keep that. Take those. That's all it sounds like. Just like y'all having a conversation back here? Like at least the skeletons are quieter. Oh, I thought you were a rat. Oh no, I'm poisoned. I'm just swinging at the air like a dummy. I don't actually care about that. Fresh bread. Stores a medium amount of hunger. Cursed. So what does cursed bread do? Oh, I didn't even notice these weapons were cursed. What happens if you use something that's cursed? No idea. I missed my old one of magic resistance or magic deflection. Locking. Okay, now I have 2. 3. 4. I'm not gonna do Troll's Blood because every time I do Troll's Blood I end up losing it. They broke my shield! No! I didn't even notice. That explains why I was trying to block with nothing. I need that shield, bro. Confiscation, please. And it's cursed. Fuck it. For science! So what's a cursed shield do? Oh, that's what it does. I can't take it off. I'll just take someone's lunch from the locker. Yep, no one will ever know it was me. No, please.
Hello there.
Oh, I
Miss me, miss me.
Prepare for trouble!
Make it double.
I missed you. Not. Please. I understand I'm being knocked back. I would much like you to leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to die. Are there more spiders around? I thought they were rats the entire time, not spiders. Or I could be in somewhere else and just don't know what I'm talking about. That's also a probability. Fuck you. This feels like a place to die. My character was made by a lovely lady called Shoukou. I met her on Fiverr. Whenever I have the link, I'll be putting it in my channel bio. Her artwork is wonderful. I definitely recommend giving it a check if anyone's ever interested. If I can break doors, can I break this? Well, yes, I can, but there's no point using my weapon. Just gonna sit here and beat away. This is taking forever. Much stronger than the door. It just goes to show that you care more about your stuff than you do your people. Finally. Did I drop part of that in the void? Scroll mark, yum yum. I'm just gonna eat. How do I tell if I'm hungry or not? You hear the sound of pickaxe striking rock. Cotton, human, high watcher, cleric. Oh, okay, let me drop that. Still can't drop that. I still don't know how to open those, so I'm just gonna drop it. Amulet of poison resistance. Poison resistance. I already have one. Please don't drop another boulder on me. That would not be a pleasant joke. Oh, I'm sorry. Holly cotton. Well, thank you. I'm sorry for stabbing you on command. Everything else here's been trying to kill me. I have a friend. Lucius, we have a friend. When he dies, you can eat him. I feel like that's fair. He agreed to this. Matthew, you don't really get much of a say. I mean, you do. I'll at least return your sword to your family. If I can remember to bring it. What is happening here? Can I break? No, just this one. Did I just waste my time for that? Goblin. So. For a high price. So I can sell the gems if they're praised. Nice. A quiver suddenly falls before you. Well, serviceable quiver of crystal arrows. Nice. Okay. Do I don't need you. I'll put you there. I'll keep you, I guess. Health. Cloudy bottle of booze. Healing. Piece of mail.
Or is this someone else? Brand new scroll of summon. Summon a random number of monsters. Friendly rats, friendly ghouls. Are these mine? You're a slime? You look like a leech. Okay. I have the army. I have an army. The slime and the ghoul are level 7. What level am I? They're higher level than I am. Don't know how I feel about that. Why? Why would you do this to me? I had friends. And now I'm nothing. No. I'm gonna go again. You can't keep me down. Give me this. Give me that. Fucking appraise it. No. It'll be fine. We got this. I'd lost my spells. Right, I was trying to cast my magic light. No, don't do that. Don't cast it. Take it. I can cast Troll's Blood, but I can't use it. Really. Okay. What's Troll? Oh yeah, regen. I was gotta keep that in mind. I forget I can use the books just by themselves.
What's up, baby? Did you miss me?
You won't. I wasn't in even the door. I was stuck in the door. No. It's not fair. At this point, I wish I could run. Yes, yes. And this mortal's getting tired of your boulders. The only thing I need luck is with your boulders. Better not be a boulder. There's that. Didn't mean to find it so soon. Someone's been through here, you know? That kind of answers the question. Bring it, bro. Ow. Burnt me. No, the door burnt me, Joey. It's a person. That might not be alone. Where, who, the fuck, and why? I don't want to die. But it'd probably be to a falling boulder. 'Cause why not? I open the door. So I feel like that red splatter earlier was definitely the guy I was looking for. I guess I do need to appraise that. Okay, you can have that. I don't want it. I don't want that. I'll eat that. Just gonna punch the door to end. Just ignore me. Or I guess it's not a door, is it? It's a wall. Through here is absolutely nothing but a tight waste of my time. I don't understand. Is it possible to do something with these walls? Is that why they're glowing? I don't want a cursed weapon to break a wall with. Not glowing, but breaking. What's the point in a decrepit wall? I'm just trying to bring the building down with me inside it. Playing Minecraft over here. Okay, there's no purpose to that. Faucet broke. I shouldn't have tested my luck. That's what I get for trying to be a smartass. Oh my goodness, no. I'm sorry, Cotton. Well, that seems to be his untimely demise. He placed at 3 in local high scores. Then they must be just as bad as me. Or they're extremely great and I'm just one of 3 people who play. Do you ever get tired of repeating yourself? Because it's going to happen a lot. Of just boulders. Speedrun. And I'm bleeding. That's I shouldn't have done this. Troll in the dungeon. Not a word, Lucius. Not a word. One day I will find you and turn you into hamburger meat. I swear by this Minotaur. I will get my revenge. Who's fighting who? Because somebody's fighting somebody. Nice of you to do the heavy lifting for me. There's a scroll, and he has a nice shield. I could have taken that helmet if I hadn't fucking smashed it. That's a big rat. Like, I understand it's a pixelated game, but that is a big rat. If you've seen a rat that size coming at you, I'd assume this is a dog if it got before it gets close enough. Another empty door. Well, I didn't know I could pull the torch from the other side of the door. But apparently I can. There we go. So what's this do? I need to stop trying to press my luck. This was gonna get me murdered. Just like last time. Did I not learn my lesson? I apparently don't learn lessons very well. Okay. Just for the cheese, not that great. Aged fish. Alright. Excuse me. Do 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 do. Maces seem to be the most effective against the skeletons. So it seems to be what I'll go with mostly for the top floors. But I doubt it's going to be skeletons all the way down. I wonder if my skeleton lays among the rest. Probably. Well, no, you wouldn't find my skeletons, would you? They'd all be fucking pulverized. They'd all be mashed into powder and spread across the toast of a troll. I'm sorry. Hey, no, I'm sorry. Can I heal you? See, that's just my habit of swing first. He was there. I didn't notice he was human, and I swung first. Trying to, you know, kill them before they kill me. It's hard to see. Oh, I didn't even notice I had inventory space. I'm gonna eat that. Summon. I'm just gonna use those now, because last time I used them and I died. I'd love to get a chance beforehand this time, actually. There we go. Now, let's see what summons we can get this time. Okay, what level are we? How did I bring up my mini map? Hold on a second, what the fuck just happened? Oh, that's how. Hey, leave Allegra alone. 7 ghouls. The game's trying to make up for what... You can't kill me if I'm on the bridge. I don't know how that works. You can't send a boulder at me over a bridge. Like, I just got my ghouls back. Let's not. See a humanoid skull. Humanoid skull. Lovely. I'm gonna go murder a few things before I decide I just want to up and bounce. Because I don't know if whatever is making humanoid skulls is going to try and take my skull. I mean, I'd rather it didn't, but it could be a predator situation, you know, take a skull of the contender as a prize. That's a gauntlet. I didn't realize that. Races, 3 armor. Okay. I ain't got nothing else wearing. Constitution. I don't know what Constitution does, so it doesn't do me any good. Oh, crap. Excellent torch. Nice. I wonder if going the way of the human skulls, because there's 2 ways you can go. You can go down the one way, or you can go the way with human skulls. If the ghouls will protect me from whatever is down there, I might be able to survive. This looks like a shop. Greetings. No, I have no for that. No want for that. Interesting. Question, are you going to get mad that I brought them in here? I would rather you didn't, but if I have to murder you, I will. Because they're the ones who are going to end up having to carry me. So, you ain't gonna do nothing to my peoples. He's gonna run away. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Maybe I cursed at helmets every time someone died and then they just got mad at the helmet and they stayed inside. Or were forced inside. So they make whoever wears it permanently have to wear it. Or till it breaks. I guess it's not permanent. Hey, yo. Hey, no, she killed my guy. She killed him, like, right away. I mean, yeah, I understand. She murdered him easily. I'm just not gonna use tins, so it's not like it matters. But I guess maybe used for something. I can block with this, so I'll take it. Woo! What the heck? Explosive little gremlins they are, aren't they? Well, that's gonna be all for today. I've died enough at this point, and feel like it's a good bearing